Well, there's what I've been waiting for a long time. Finally come in. As you can see, the box is really beat up really bad, but big old hole in the bottom. So hopefully nothing's missing. Hopefully. Yeah, they usually pack those boxes really good, but they still end up getting mangled. But when my Philodo came, when my H8 Philodo came, it was pretty well beat up too. It looked like it had been shipped out twice. And but I opened it up and everything was fine. So hopefully this will be the same. Yeah, I gotta walk down here and get my dolly so I can wheel it down here, and we'll see if we can get started on this thing. Well, I decided to come and get my bobcat instead of trying to wheel it on the dolly. It'll fit right in this thing here and be easier on me. Well, I got it on my bobcat, so we'll see. This bike feels heavy. That extra battery. There. Now it should roll. It should roll now. Well, these boxes, they sure get beat up, don't they? Oh yeah. This is the easiest way to get it out. Knock it out the back. Okay, let's see if we can get this on out of here. That had to be the easiest and less taxing way to get that out. I'm gonna stick something down here to set the fork on. There. Ooh. Tell you what we're gonna do. You know, I have a stand here. This is my park tool bike stand. Got it hidden behind the wall here, but we're going to use this today. All right, let's get these straps off of here. See, it's kind of smashed in there. I don't know. Hopefully it didn't hurt nothing. Jumbo. It's got average speed, 0.2 miles, 0.2 miles. Okay. Seven passive assists. That's cool. It's got a 7-speed Shimano. It's got a throttle. And I'm gonna get that other battery and get it charging so we have a full juice here. Here's the other battery. Ain't that nice? And this is the same as the Philodo H8, so we'll be able to swap the batteries out. So that is cool. Take both bikes and you can swap the batteries if you need to. Or you don't have to buy an extra battery for both bikes. And this rack here is very light. I'm surprised how light it is. It seems like it's very strong though, but very light. Very lightweight. Got a little bit of rattle damage there. Not too awful bad. Yeah, it looks like the mounting of this is going to be a whole lot better than the other. Yep, the Philodo, the other, the H8, you had to bend them into position to get it to stay. This is just going to hook on as one whole piece, so that'll be nice. I have a feeling that this is going to replace my daily bike, which is the H8. And I got almost 14,000 miles on it. I'm coming up on my 1-year anniversary, and I originally was shooting for 15,000 miles, but I think this is going to distract me from that. This one has rear suspension. I won't know how to hardly act with that. I did put my suspension seat on there, and it really made a difference, but can you imagine a suspension seat with a rear suspension? I had that on my Hanover, and boy, it's just like, wow. Really made a difference. This is what the headlight looks like. Real nice looking headlight. Looks like it's a little smaller than the... No, I guess it's the same headlight as the H8, so... I guess we got to put the fender on here too at the same time. Well, as long as I got it up in the air here, let's see what it does here. There's PAS1, about 5.7. PS2, right at 10 miles an hour. PS3, 15. 4, about 20. 5, 25. 30 for 6. And 32.5. Well, I put the pedals on. Thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So just make sure that you look on the ends. It says what it is. This is the left and that's the right. The left goes counterclockwise and the right goes the right way. That's how I always remember. And they did include some mirrors. I don't think I'll put those on there because I have a helmet mirror, and I'm so used to my helmet mirror that I don't think I can ever go back to these. So we'll just add this to my mirror collection. Quite a few of them. There's what the bike looks like, and we're going to get her down and go take her for a ride. Here is the Philodo Jumbo. I actually put my H8 battery on here because the other battery wasn't charged all the way, but other than that, this is what the bike looks like when you get it. Isn't it beautiful? Got the nice words there, jumbo, because it has a jumbo battery, 2 23 amp hour batteries. So yeah. All right. My first ever Philodo Jumbo. And the new adventure starts now. righty, well, thanks for riding with me today. That's the Philodo Jumbo. We're going to be doing some more tests on this, and so stay tuned. Yeah, this is sweet. Yep, I love those two 23 amp hour batteries. Can't wait to get them both charged up so I can see how far I can go. And yeah, alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. Goodbye, good luck, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May he spread his blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May he be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing him most. May the good Lord take